it's time to meet Power BI. So in this section, we'll introduce Power BI Desktop, we'll review the download and installation process, adjust some default settings, and explore the Power BI interface and workflow. So topics we'll cover here: quick introduction, we'll draw some comparisons between Power BI and Excel, run through different installation options to get you up and running, we'll adjust a few settings to make sure we're all on the same page, then dig into a high-level overview of the Power BI desktop interface and broader business intelligence workflow, and finally wrap with some helpful resources as well. So goals for the section: of course, we want to download and install Power BI Desktop and adjust the settings for a course project. We want to understand the role that Power BI plays within the broader Microsoft ecosystem. We'll explore core components of the Power BI Desktop interface. And finally, we'll review the business intelligence workflow that we're going to follow as we build our course project. So let's get started.